Alright, what's up everybody? It's your boy, Crypto Insider JR, back at you. If you're day trading crypto and you're not laser focused on your exchange, you are literally lighting money on fire. We're talking about fees eating your profits, slow execution costing you trades, and garbage liquidity leaving you stuck. But here's the deal. 2025 is looking like a massive year for crypto. And if you want to actually make money day trading, not just lose it, you need the right tools. And your exchange? That's your primary weapon. In this video, I'm breaking down the absolute top 5 crypto exchanges specifically for day trading as we head into 2025. We're going to dive deep into what makes them tick, the nitty-gritty on fees, speed, liquidity, and those special features that can give you an edge. Because let's be real, the difference between a winning trader and a losing one often comes down to these small, crucial details. Get this wrong, and you're just donating your cash to the market. Get it right, and you're positioning yourself for serious gains. I've spent countless hours, and let me tell you, lost my fair share of money in the early days, figuring this stuff out. So, I'm here to save you that pain and that cash. We're going to look at the pros, the cons, and exactly who each platform is best suited for. No one size fits all here. By the end of this, you'll know exactly where you should be planting your flag to maximize your day trading profits in the coming year. So, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Seriously, it helps a ton, and let's get right into it. Alright, first up, we absolutely have to talk about Binance. Binance is like the 800-pound gorilla in the crypto room, and for good reason, especially when it comes to day trading. Their sheer volume is just staggering, and that translates directly into benefits for US active traders. When you're making multiple trades a day, even tiny fractions of a percent in fees add up to a colossal amount over time, and this is where Binance has historically just crushed the competition. The headline feature is their fee structure. We're talking standard trading fees as low as 0.1% for spot trading. For day traders, that is an absolute game changer. If you're scalping small profits, a high fee can wipe out your entire gain. With Binance, that 0.1% means you get to keep significantly more of what you earn on each and every trade, and it gets even better. If you hold their native token BNB, you can get even further discounts on those already low trading fees. This is a strategy many savvy traders use to push their costs down even more. Now let's talk liquidity. High liquidity means there are tons of buyers and sellers at any given price point. This minimizes slippage, which is when the price moves against you between the time you place your order and the time it executes. Binance, due to its massive user base and volume, has some of the deepest order books in the game. This deep liquidity is especially critical if you're trading larger sizes, or if you're trying to get in and out of positions rapidly. Then there's order execution speed. When you spot an opportunity, you need to act now. Binance has invested heavily in its matching engine, and it's generally regarded as one of the fastest out there. Of course, no platform is perfect, but for pure day trading efficiency, focusing on minimizing costs and maximizing execution quality, Binance remains a top-tier contender. Next on the list, let's shift gears and talk about Bybit. Bybit has carved out a very specific niche for itself, and it's particularly well known in the crypto derivatives space, especially for traders looking to utilize leverage. If you're a day trader who understands leverage and wants to amplify your potential gains, and crucially, understands the amplified risks, Bybit is a platform you absolutely need to know about. The big draw for many to Bybit is the availability of high leverage, often up to 100x on certain contracts. Leverage is a double-edged sword. While 100x leverage means a 1% price movement in your favor can double your position, it also means a 1% move against you can wipe out your entire margin. This is not for the faint of heart, and it's definitely not for beginners who haven't mastered risk management. However, for experienced day traders who use leverage strategically and with strict risk controls, it can be a powerful tool to maximize capital efficiency. Bybit facilitates this with a platform that's really geared towards this style of trading, offering a range of perpetual contracts on popular cryptocurrencies. One of Bybit's standout features is its user interface, especially for derivatives trading. It's clean, it's intuitive, and it's fast. Beyond just offering leverage, Bybit also provides some solid risk management tools, which are absolutely essential if you're going to trade with it. Liquidity on Bybit's derivatives market is also generally very good, especially for the major pairs like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Another aspect where Bybit often gets positive mentions is its customer support and its active community. The main consideration with Bybit is, again, the inherent risk of high leverage trading. But if you have experience, understand the risks, and are specifically looking to trade high volatility, low cap altcoins before they hit the mainstream, Bybit offers an unparalleled selection and the tools to trade them. Alright, let's move on to our third pick, OKX. This is another major global exchange that offers a really comprehensive suite of trading products. But where I think it particularly shines for day traders, especially those looking for an edge in 2025, is with its built-in trading bot systems and consistently tight spreads. One of the coolest features on OKX is its wide array of free built-in trading bots. We're talking about things like grid trading bots, which are fantastic for ranging markets, DCA, dollar cost averaging bots, rebalancing bots, and even more advanced options like arbitrage bots. For a day trader, these can be incredibly powerful. Setting up these bots on OKX is surprisingly user-friendly. They offer preset AI strategies, or you can customize the parameters completely to fit your specific trading plan. This means you don't need to be a coding wizard or pay for expensive third-party bot services to start automating parts of your day trading. Now let's talk about spreads. The spread is the difference between the best available buy price, ask, and the best available sell price, bid. For day traders, especially scalpers who are in and out of trades quickly for small profits, tight spreads are absolutely critical. OKX generally maintains very competitive tight spreads on its major trading pairs. This focus on tight spreads is a testament to OKX's liquidity and efficient matching engine. OKX also features a multi-tier fee structure similar to Binance, where your trading fees decrease as your 30-day trading volume increases or based on your holdings of their native token, OKB. Beyond the bots and spreads, OKX is a full-featured exchange. They offer a vast range of cryptocurrencies for spot trading, as well as a robust derivatives market with futures and options. Potential downsides? The platform is very comprehensive, which, like Binance, can mean a bit of a learning curve for complete beginners. But for automated assistance and excellent execution prices, OKX is a strong contender. Alright, let's spice things up a bit and talk about MEXC. MEXC, formerly known as MEXC, has carved out a reputation for itself as the go-to exchange if you're hunting for those elusive low-cap altcoin gems. We're talking about coins that often aren't listed on the bigger exchanges like Binance or Kraken yet. For day traders with a high-risk appetite and a knack for spotting trends early, MEXC can be an absolute goldmine. But let me tell you, it comes with significant caveats. The main allure of MEXC for a certain type of day trader is its sheer number of listed assets, particularly in the small cap and micro cap categories. They are often one of the very first centralized exchanges to list new and emerging projects. This means if you've done your research and identified a promising low-cap coin, MEXC might be the only reputable place you can trade it with decent liquidity before it potentially gets wider recognition. This early access can lead to incredible volatility, which, for day traders, is where opportunity lies. These low-cap coins can see price swings of 20%, 50%, even 100% or more in a single day. If you're on the right side of that move, the profits can be astronomical. However, this volatility works both ways. These coins can just as easily dump catastrophically, and many of them are, frankly, garbage projects or outright scams. So if you're venturing into the world of low-cap altcoins on MEXC, your due diligence game needs to be absolutely top-notch. In terms of the trading experience for these altcoins, MEXC generally provides a functional platform. Liquidity can vary wildly depending on the specific coin. Some newer listings might have thin order books, leading to higher slippage, while more established altcoins can have decent trading volume. MEXC also has features like a launchpad and Kickstarter, where users can get early exposure to new projects, often by holding MEXC's native token MEX. The primary downside of MEXC is the inherently higher risk profile of the assets it specializes in. But if you have experience, understand the risks, and are specifically looking to trade high volatility, low cap altcoins before they hit the mainstream, MEXC offers an unparalleled selection and the tools to trade them. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about Kraken, specifically Kraken Pro, which is their advanced trading platform. If your top priorities as a day trader are security, regulatory compliance, and a clean, no-nonsense trading experience, especially if you're based in regions like the US or Europe where regulatory clarity is paramount, then Kraken Pro is an absolutely stellar choice. Kraken takes security incredibly seriously. They were one of the first exchanges to pioneer proof of reserves audits where a third party verifies that the exchange actually holds the customer assets it claims to. They also employ robust security measures like cold storage for the vast majority of assets, platform-wide SSL encryption, two-factor authentication for all critical actions, and customizable API key permissions. For day traders who might be holding significant capital on an exchange, this commitment to security provides invaluable peace of mind. On the regulatory front, Kraken has always aimed to be proactive and compliant. They are registered as a money services business, MSB, with FinCEN in the US and have obtained various licenses and registrations in other jurisdictions like the UK, Canada, and Australia. This focus on working within existing regulatory frameworks makes them a more stable and predictable platform, especially for traders who are wary of exchanges that operate in regulatory gray areas. The Kraken Pro trading interface itself is designed to be clean, efficient, and professional. It avoids a lot of the clutter you might find on other platforms, focusing instead on providing a robust charting package. They integrate trading view charts, fast order entry, and clear portfolio overviews. Liquidity on Kraken Pro is generally very good, especially for major pairs like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other large-cap cryptocurrencies, as well as fiat to crypto pairs like USD, EUR, and GBP. Kraken Pro utilizes a maker-taker fee model, which is standard for professional trading platforms. Fees are tiered based on your 30-day trading volume, meaning active traders are rewarded with lower rates. Customer support on Kraken is also widely regarded as being among the best in the industry. They offer 24/7 support through various channels, and their agents are generally knowledgeable. The main considerations for Kraken Pro? If your primary goal is to trade the widest possible range of obscure altcoins, Kraken is more conservative in its listings compared to an exchange like MEXC. But for a secure, regulated, and highly professional day trading environment, Kraken Pro is truly hard to fault. Alright, so there you have it. My breakdown of the top 5 crypto exchanges for day trading as we head into 2025. Binance for its ultra-low fees and insane liquidity, Bybit for those comfortable with high leverage and a clean derivatives UI, OKX with its powerful trading bots and tight spreads, MEXC for the adventurous hunting those early low-cap altcoins, and Kraken Pro for unparalleled security and regulatory peace of mind. Each one has its strengths and is tailored for different types of day traders. The most important takeaway here is that there's no single best exchange for everyone. It depends on your trading style, your risk tolerance, the assets you trade, and what features you value most. What works wonders for a high-frequency scalper might not be ideal for someone focused on swinging newly listed altcoins. The key is to understand these differences and align your choice of exchange with your personal trading strategy to maximize your edge in the market. Your exchange is your weapon. Use the wrong one, and you'll bleed fees. Use the right one, and your trades become weapons. Links are in the description. Test a few with demo accounts before going big. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more winning strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.